Ever wondered how you can extend the life of your equipment? Preventative maintenance is the key. It's about more than just fixing things when they break. It's a proactive approach that involves regularly checking and servicing your equipment to keep it running smoothly. The benefits are numerous: cost savings, improved safety, and an increased lifespan for your equipment. But remember, preventative maintenance is not just a one-off task, but a continuous process that requires a well-defined plan. A successful preventative maintenance plan consists of 7 key elements. Let's break it down, shall we? First, we have equipment inventory. This is a detailed list of all the machinery and equipment that require maintenance. It's the foundation of your plan. Next is procedures. This outlines the exact steps to be taken for maintenance of each piece of equipment. It's your maintenance roadmap. Then comes scheduling, which determines the frequency and timing of maintenance tasks. Think of it as your maintenance calendar. Fourth, we have documentation. This involves recording all the maintenance tasks performed, their results, and any issues encountered. It's your maintenance diary. Fifth is analysis and revision. This involves reviewing and updating your plan based on the data from your documentation. It's your maintenance report card. Sixth, we have training. Ensuring your team is well trained on the procedures is crucial. It's your maintenance school. Finally, vendor management. This involves managing relationships with vendors for parts and services. It's your maintenance support system. These 7 elements work together to create a comprehensive and effective preventative maintenance plan. There are 4 major types of preventive maintenance programs. First up, let's talk about usage-based preventive maintenance. This approach focuses on the actual use or performance of equipment, triggering maintenance based on specific parameters such as hours of operation or mileage. It's a great choice when equipment wear and tear is directly related to its use. Next, we have calendar or time-based preventive maintenance. As the name suggests, this program schedules maintenance at regular intervals, like weekly or monthly. It's a straightforward way to keep your equipment in top shape, especially if it's used consistently. Then there's predictive maintenance. This type uses real-time data and analytics to predict when a machine might need service. It's a proactive approach, helping to avoid unexpected failures. Lastly, we have prescriptive maintenance. This not only predicts failure, but also recommends specific actions to prevent it, aligning maintenance efforts with actual needs. Choosing the right type of preventive maintenance program can help optimize your maintenance efforts. Technology plays a significant role in enhancing preventative maintenance. It's the backbone that supports the entire operation, making it more efficient, reliable, and effective. Let's consider Industry 4.0 technology, a game changer in the world of maintenance. It's a blend of Internet of Things, automation, and data exchange, and it's revolutionizing how we approach preventative maintenance. How, you may ask? Well, with this technology, maintenance tasks can be automated, reducing human errors and increasing efficiency. It can predict potential failures before they occur, saving both time and money. Moreover, it provides real-time data, allowing us to monitor and control equipment performance from anywhere at any time. Imagine being able to predict when a machine will fail, or knowing exactly when to replace a part before it causes a breakdown. That's the power of technology in preventative maintenance. With the right technology, preventative maintenance becomes a seamless and effective process. Preventative maintenance is an essential practice for any equipment-intensive operation. It's the backbone of smooth operations, with its vital elements and various types, all enhanced by the power of technology. It's about staying ahead, predicting the unpredictable, and taking control. It's about being smart today for a seamless tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. Remember, a little prevention can go a long way.